Alright, so you guys wanted another success video, did you? Now, remember, when you guys are doing cell phone repair, you want to be quick with everything. People don't want to wait. If you tell somebody 10-15 minutes, that's like about as long as they want to wait for most repairs. So what I like to do is, while I am tearing down this other screen, what I like to do is test the one that I'm going to be putting on. So I let that boot and I tear this shit down. Now I like to hang off the edge of the table here a bit. It's just how I like to position my screwdriver. And you guys can do whatever the fuck works for you. I don't give a shit. You can fucking hold it if you want. It doesn't work that well for me, but I see some people holding it in their hands and doing everything like this. But again, I like to be quick and efficient. Oh, good thing I got more of them. Well, I basically want to be the best fucking thing to happen to you since you broke your fucking phone. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? Just like anything, you want to keep your tools good, nice, sharp. Don't fuck up your tools. Tools are what's there to make money for you. Alright, gotta warm up the ultrasonic cleaner today. I got a fucking machine that has to go in there. So, you know, I don't know if you guys can hear the music at all or not, but I'm hoping that you can't. But I can hardly fucking hear it. It's really for me. It's not for you guys. And, yeah. Hmm. You know, YouTube will give me these strikes or some shit, right? They'll mute me or some other horse shit. You know, a lot of you guys wanted to do YouTube. You're not as funny as me. So I'd like to say that about y'all. Y'all definitely not as funny as me. And the other thing is, y'all aren't even as good at talking to yourself as I am. I mean, I'm well practiced. I've been talking to myself since before your mama was born. So, try and fuck with that. You know what I'm saying? Before your mama was born, that's a long time because your mama's old as fucking dirt. So, yeah, I've been funny since y'all were fucking. Your daddy wasn't even fucking putting swimmers in the river yet. You know what I'm saying? Since I was funny. And I've been talking to myself. Listen, I was fucking crazy before y'all were ever even fucking thinking about being fucking crazy. Well, I was crazy when crazy wasn't cool. So what the fuck y'all think about that? Look, y'all can't fuck with that. Y'all can't lose a fucking screw in your crotch and pick it up like that. Like, what the fuck? When you can do that, let me know. Shit, catch me outside. How about that? Hello? You break it this morning?
Last night.
Oh.
Well, the first time I broke it was like a couple weeks ago.
Oh, okay.
Thanks a lot.
All right, we're done now. Ha ha. Fuck you guys.